In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a finance tracker in Notion. This simple yet powerful tool will help you manage and track your finances efficiently. Whether you're budgeting for personal expenses or managing business income, this system will give you the organization and ease you need. Let's dive right in and set everything up in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to log into your Notion account. If you're not already familiar with Notion, it's a versatile workspace where you can create and organize tasks, projects, and other essential parts of your life or business. Once you're logged in, we'll need to create a new page. Just navigate to the sidebar where you see the option to add a new page. Click on that and you're ready to start building your finance tracker. Now, go ahead and name your new page. You might call it Habit Tracker. Although this is a finance tracker, naming it this way keeps things consistent with our tutorials, but feel free to choose whatever name resonates with you. A descriptive name helps to easily identify what the page is used for among your other Notion pages. Next, we'll want to start constructing our database. To do this, you simply type in our table view on the page. This command brings up a table, which will act as the heart of your finance tracking system. It's in this table view where all your transaction data will be neatly organized. With your table in place, you'll want to give it a name that reflects its purpose. Let's call this table Transactions. A simple descriptive name like this makes it clear at a glance what information is contained within. Now it's time to set up the columns and properties which you wish to track. This step is highly customizable and should be tailored to your needs. You might want to track the date of each transaction, the amount, a brief description, the category of the expense or income, and the payment method. Each of these can be a column in your table. To add a column, just click the plus sign that appears next to existing columns and choose the appropriate property type, such as text, number, or date. And there you have it. Your basic finance tracker is ready to go. By following these steps, you've now created an effective way to keep tabs on your financial transactions, helping you to maintain balance and achieve your financial goals. As you use the tracker, remember that you can always modify it to better fit your evolving needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your finances with ease and confidence.